After you have set up the site, this is what you'll see when you initially come to the site. Next, if you click on About Us, this is where your work will be done. This page corresponds to this particular script at this particular location. Themes 2010 page underscore About Us. Now, the major schemas have been actually created for you already. What you need to do is to refer to the files 1, 2, and 3 on what each of these divisions where they map to. Let me just go through them briefly. Start with schema 3. Open. This position here is the About Us page underscore images underscore holder, which you shall see over here. Alright. So if I actually click on any of the other tabs, the image would change. Company profile image would correspond to this. Join Us image, when I click on this, would correspond to this. Contact Us image would correspond to this image. Yes. And here, 1, 2, 3, the 3 tabs. About Us page underscore company profile tab. This is the tab, the division corresponding to this. Join Us corresponds to About Us page underscore jobs underscore tab, corresponding to this. Contact Us About Us page underscore contact us underscore tab, corresponds to this. And over here, the About Us company profile underscore panel, it corresponds to this particular panel. The output has been done for you. So it's just this particular panel. About Us job panel corresponds to this panel over here. Okay. And this is all the data that has been pre-populated for you. About Us page underscore jobs underscore panel left column corresponds to this part. So when I first come to the page and initially click on this Join Us tab, this is the panel that will show up in the left column. On the right side, you will actually populate using the data from this array, which you see over here. This is the jobs array. Development, finance, and HR. So development, finance, and HR. Okay. And within each of them, you have like different jobs, which you see over here. Title 2. There are 2 jobs for development, 2 jobs for 1 job for finance, and 1 job for HR. So these titles will appear over here. When I click on either of the titles, the original content over here, which you see in this panel, will be replaced by the contents you see over here and here. So suppose I click on this staff manager, then the content for the staff manager will actually show up over here. This is the, let me just repeat myself, this part is the right call. This part is the left call over here. Left call. Right. Next, we progress to the Contact Us panel, which you see over here. This is the Contact Us panel. And About Us, Contact Us header panel corresponds to this. About Us, page underscore Contact Us panel contact form corresponds to this. Google Map panel corresponds to this. And Contact Us footer panel corresponds to this section. 1, 2, 3, 4. All this 4 is contained within this panel, which is shown over here when I click the Contact Us panel. Yep. So when I click this, the Contact Us image will show. When I click this, the Join Us image will show. When I click this, the company profile image would show. Now, for the contact form panel and the Google Map panel, you will need to refer to the elements found over here at this particular URL. www.newbie.sg/contact.html. So this would be the thing that you actually put into the contact form division, and this map, as it is, will actually be embedded in the Google Maps, which will actually be over here, this division. And that will be all for this explanation itself.